this knot in my hand today, so that was fun, yeah. I feel like Coach is just gonna try to come up with ideas of what to say. You got to take a nap today? Oh, they did Kara on the field hockey team. I don't know her, but she seems super dope. I always wear black when I want to feel safe. I mean, I feel like the women's team should go first. We'll just lap the boys. Hey. Sorry, I lost count. Coach. No. Woo, dodgeball. Doing this wrong. Trick shot. Job, Richard. All right. Oh man, alive. Well, it's good. Third time's the charm. Net. Together we're Jeanette. Dingles. Oh. Wow. We're serving from this side. Oh, okay. Calm down a little bit.
Lead down and off the side of the court more often. All right, that's your challenge.
What did he say? He literally said it right at me and I didn't hear. No. Go here. No, here. Let's go. Let's go. This is flawless form right there. Yep. No. Actually, no. Go the first one, yeah. Let's go, Mads. Come on now. I feel like I'm in an athlete's commercial. Like, drink water. We're almost matchies.
Your shoes look like beehives.
Thanks. I always try to go for the beehive effect.
Is it a door?